Good morning. So today it's a Monday. Yesterday we worked on the front jam or the front hinge panel. Today we are tackling the rear jam on the driver's side. Rear jam on the passenger side is done. So also the rocker panels are in, and we're getting ready for our shipment this week. So today we've got to get this panel replaced right here. It's going to be a trick. So let's get at it and we'll see how far we can get before I have to go to work today.
Where's the light at?
All right, so what I got going here is we're putting a brace side to side so that when we take this rocker panel loose, the car can't do this. So right now it's got this down in here to this section right here, but when I cut that loose, away that goes. And this will have to come out eventually because it's junk. It's just not, it doesn't do anything. So here we go. Okay, we're getting in here and we're welding the support in, and we're welding it to the jam on this side. It's already done on that side, but this side is not as routed out as that side, so you can see the shape of this right here. So this panel you can't buy, and this panel ties the wheelhouse to the rocker to the jam, and it has this support in here that's in good shape on this car, but so we're going to reuse this, but I need to cut in here and make this piece so that when I put the rocker and the jam and weld everything together, that gets sandwiched in there for strength. So it's between this piece right here is between the jam, the rocker, so that's three pieces right there, and it has to be welded in there. So once we get the rocker ready on that side, I'm going to have to fabricate that piece, and having this so I know how far it comes down, what the distance is and everything is key. So let's get this thing welded in. Okay, so now this is all solid to the jam. So now we can cut off the rocker, get it out of here, and put the new one in. Okay, so in conclusion today, I've got this mounted in here. I got the rear jam mounted in. I've got the striker in. It's all hooked in the side where it's got to go. I got it at the end of the rocker, or the end of the quarter panels, so that's all where it's got to go vertically. So basically this is mocked up. So I'll have to come back and weld it. I don't have enough time, I got to go to work. But it is ready to be welded in to the side of the car, so that when I put the new rocker panel in, everything is solid. So same in the front, the hinge panel, that has to be welded in the top into the car as well, not onto the rocker panel obviously, because the rocker panel gets replaced. So we'll call that a win. And then tomorrow I'll be working on getting the rocker panel all closed up and strong. So that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. But today, got the rear mount in, the front mount in, on the driver's side, moving forward.